Sir, you gotta introduce me, Nick.
Guys.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. WBs, WBs. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure.
Alright, guys, let's go. Let's go, guys.
If he doesn't cook, he's gay. Yeah, everyone in the comments call him gay if he doesn't cook. If he doesn't cook, call him gay.
Let's use chromatic. Let's use chromatic. I got chromatic recently, so. Okay.
Bro, you gotta hurry up now. You still buying this not gonna last.
First only 2 portions. Here we go. Okay, first
Go crazy. Go crazy.
Matrix! 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 Matrix!
Yes! Yes! Now we're cooking, we're cooking.
First time I experienced it. Nice. I was so close to bloodlust. I was so close to bloodlust.
You oh no, bloodlust is 50 million in this.
Bruh, okay. Dude, I'm so surprised I just pulled that.
You got you.
Nah, that's crazy.
Bro, you lost the 50 million, bro. You lost you lost the 50-50 chance. You lost it. Dang it.
I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked. Dude, I'm so happy that I got
But
Matrix.
you got Matrix, are you not?
It's not bad. I'm so happy with it. Oh, come on.
Dang.
Okay,
Dang.
Oblivion time. Oblivion time.
Alright, Oblivion. Let's cook.
Okay, I'm closing
Back
my
shots.
eyes. Wait, no, actually. No, yeah.
Back shots.
Back
Back shot for luck. Back shots for luck. Back shots for luck.
3,
Please.
2, 1. Here we go.
He's shaking. He's shaking.
No!
Damn. He got undefined.
I'm still happy with Matrix, to be honest. I'm happy.
You know what's crazy?
I'm really happy with it.
You know what's crazy? The undefined cutscene and Storm Hurricane cutscene look alike, so you just lost it 50-50. So I feel bad for you.
It's okay.
You lost it
I'm
50-50,
happy
bro.
with Matrix. I'm happy with Matrix. I'm really happy with it, though. Seriously. I'm still happy.
Yeah.
I'm really happy with it.
Welcome back.
Well,
I'll
yeah.
you got the Matrix curse, so you got the Matrix curse.
Like, that's
So
literally 2 10 million to like 2 days. Like, then Matrix. Or 2 Matrix. Well, I'm so impressed. Like, that's really good. I'm so happy. I'm
wait,
so sad that I kind of lost a chance to
what
get,
is?
to get, you know, I'm happy with this. I'm really happy.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. You probably should have, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. You probably should have waited when you gotta run everything. Should've gotta run everything. Goofball.
I'm dumb. It's okay.
Wait, you have one?
Yeah, I had one.
Fucking dumbass. Fucking dumbass. You don't wonder why you got. Oh no! How did you? Chat, spam L. Chat, spam L.
Yeah, that's okay.
Chat, spam L.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Can I say one thing? Can I say one thing?
Bye.
Spam L. No ruin everything. Spam L.